Hey YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a custom font on a Windows machine. So let's first open up a browser here, and I'm going to search for, let's install Fira Code. So I'll do Fira Code, Google Fonts, search for that. I see Fira Code here, and I can click to download the family. There we go. And let's go to our downloads. So we'll go here to the downloads. We see Fira code. I need to extract all. Okay, so I'm going to extract. And now that I've extracted it, I can go into here and I can get the variable font. You could also install the static if you want. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to go to this PC and my C drive here. And I'm going to go to Windows. And then if I go down, I'm going to go to Fonts. And I'm just going to now paste that in. And you'll see it is going to install the font. And there we go. So let's open up an app and check this out. I'm going to open up the Coffee Cup editor here. And do Control Alt Comma to bring up my settings here. And if I go here, you'll see I have Fira Code now installed. That's pretty much all there is to it. I can select Fira Code Retina and use it in my editor if I want. But yeah, that's all you need to do to install a custom font. All you need to do is download it and then go to the C drive, find Windows, Fonts, and just paste it in there, and then Windows will install it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.